Subtract 0.595 from 14.3 using long subtraction. Line up the decimal points in the same column. Add placeholder zeros so both numbers have the same number of decimal places. We work from right to left and finish one column before moving to the next. In the thousands column, 0 is less than 5, so we need to borrow. Borrow 1 from the tenths column. 3 becomes 2. Carry the borrow through 1 0. Each cross 0 becomes 9. The 0 in the thousands column becomes 10. In the thousands column, 10 minus 5 is 5. In the hundredths column, 9 minus 9 is 0. In the tenths column, 2 is less than 5, so we need to borrow. Borrow 1 from the ones column. 4 becomes 3. The 2 in the tenths column becomes 12. In the tenths column, 12 minus 5 is 7. In the ones column, 3 minus 0 is 3. Bring down 1 in the tens column. Bring the decimal point straight down into the answer. The final result is 13.705.